Yeah, hello guys. In the previous video, I was saying that we are going to empty the fields when you add a user. So say if you go to add user and then you say for example you add a user like this, and then when you add the user, when the user has been added, the fields you entered the users should go empty so that you'll be able to add a new user. So in this video, that's what we are going to do. Okay, so let's get right into it. So first things first, after the user, the message has been shown to your user that a user has been added, what you do is you take the first column box, the text box, that's username. So you type txt underscore username dot text equal to empty. So what this does is the text that is in that field will go empty after the message has appeared. So let's try that one out and then we continue with the rest. Yeah, so when we add a user and then we go to OK, you see the hi or the name that was at the first, that was at the full name, has been empty. So then you get to add a new one and then you move forward. So let's do that for the rest of the fields. Okay, so the next one is the username. So txt underscore dot text next one is for the password. So the next one is for a combo box. So in order to make things simple for the combo box, you have to edit the items in the combo box. Okay, so initially it was like this. Initially this is how the items were. So straightforward, you have 3 items at the user type and then you have 2 at the gender side. Okay, so what you have to do is actually add one item. That one will just be an empty space, so you just hit enter and then it gives you a first item as an empty space and it goes OK, and then for the gender you do the same. Okay, and then you hit and then it gives you an empty space over there. Okay, so now then you go back to the code and then for the first one was I think the first one is user type, so cb underscore user type dot text equal to like this. So what this also does is actually you have to do it dot selected item. Okay, so what this does is it actually, after the message has been displayed, it actually goes to select the empty item and then it makes that field empty for you. Okay, so the next one is cb underscore gender dot selected item. We do the same thing for the email. then we do the last one for the phone number. Okay, so since we've done for all the fields, let's test this out and see how it works. Okay, so let's add some data. And then the email, we just do it and then we add something another phone, Okay, so when we go to add user, it tells us that the user has been added. So when we go to OK, all the fields now becomes empty, and then you get to add a new user. So for example, if we didn't do that, all the fields will remain the same, and then you have to actually manually clear and enter new data. But this one, it makes it easier for you to actually add a new data right after you've added a user. So yeah, I'd like to end this video here, and then we will continue in the next one. Thank you as always for watching, and see you guys in the next video.